I'm going to challenge you. Learn to fulfill an assignment at least one day. One assignment. Get something done. The only place where you can sleep and nobody is saying anything is the coffin. They allow you to sleep. But as long as you are here, you're going to work. And you're going to put your hands to work. And you must have an assignment. You must have a goal, a day, and fulfill something. So be particular on how you get things done. That is how you will be an achiever. Achievement is not just miracle. I have seen people that have received miracles and they have lost their miracles because they are not organized, they are not focused, they are not aiming at anything, they are just there. I pray in the name of Jesus, from today you can be focused to achieve something. At least get something done in a day.